studio up on stage. How can we have two of the best dressed by the same designer? Please, can we give him a round of applause? So now we're going to choose the best dressed female based off of votes.
Ladies and gentlemen, who do you think is best dressed today?
Giza.
Who? Giza or Sandrine? I can't hear you guys. Now move. Who? Giza. You say Sandrine, right? You say Sandrine. Come on, I'm hearing an S. Giza. So you think it's Giza? Giza going once? Okay, please, I would like you to shout out the name you think deserves to take the prize tonight. Is it Giza? Is it Giza? Let me hear that one more time. Giza! Say Giza! If it's Sandrine, say Sandrine! Is it Sandrine? Let me hear Giza! You see, there were times in this country where we had two big artists. Then there was this time when they had to actually take one home. It was between the Ben and Bedi. So it ended with both of them taking their one home. So are they taking it home, both of them? They are. They're saying both of them.
Both of them, wow, okay. Wow, so how do we do this? You know what? Can we auction these dresses? Can we auction? You said you want to auction these dresses. Are you willing to auction your dresses? Ah, they want to keep the dress. They want to keep the dress. You want to keep the dress? Ah, never mind.
Well, since they want to keep the dresses, we have to get a winner then. Don't you think so? So is it Giza or Sandrine? Giza or Sandrine? I'm hearing noise instead. Giza or Sandrine? Who? Sandrine. Ladies and gentlemen, the name that I'm actually hearing tonight, the best female dressed tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, I'm going to be biased tonight because I'm an artist. So we're going to go for Giza. So the best dress tonight is Giza, ladies and gentlemen.
I have a feeling there is no man that is going to be well dressed than Sandrine. I'm wondering if Sandrine should be given the male best dressed award.
This award was designed after our logo. It's our logo in a dress, which you can also see over there. We flew this statue all the way from London to be here for the Silver Gala. Literally, this statue, we took it from Tower Hill to bring it to Rwanda just for the gala. So yeah. Thank you and congratulations, Visa!
Thank you very much, Sandrine, for showing up. You look amazing today. You look so beautiful, and congratulations to the designer. I mean, you should be taking home the award because you are the common factor here.
Right. DJ Sonia is coming up. Can someone remind me who the best dressed males were? Who? The find them. All right, so let us announce.
Wait, I think I know the person. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Wait.
So guys, please line up here.
Hello?
Wow, please tell us your name and who you are wearing.
Video man,
My name is Nitanga Olivia. I'm wearing Tanga Designs, my brand.
Hello everybody, my name is Ish Kevin and I'm wearing Izuba.
Hello, prestigious ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nemzibayo, all the way from Ghana, and I'm wearing Royal Suits Group from Ghana.
Wow, this is amazing. Hi everyone, it's DJ Sonia. I am wearing Buffon. Let me show you my dress. You have to see this. Yes. Can you see this? Thank you. And this is Lisa, a very famous dancer, a TikTok sensation from Ghana. Please tell us who you're wearing.
Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Kwama from Ghana, and I'm wearing Rex Kojo Kito. Yes, thank you. Okay, so we have three amazing looking men over here, and me, I can't vote. Because if I vote, I have one person I'll choose. Ghana has to take it home. Whether you like it or not, Ghana is taking this thing home. So what we do in Ghana is that I go to the person, and the loudest cheer is what we use to determine the winner. I don't know what you do here, but that's what we do in Ghana. So I'm going to start with an amazing guy right here. Can we hear the cheer? Okay. Hey God, oh my days. Give up. Oh my God. You are shining. Please, I cannot stand by you. Okay, mister. Can we hear a cheer for him? I feel like you have like 70% of the crowd, you have like 40% of the crowd. Guys, this is Ghana. Please. Please guys, Ghana. Let's hear it for Ghana. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Ghana's taking it, isn't it? Okay. What do you think? Who do you think is taking this?
Let me see. She thinks they're saying Ghana, but I think they're saying Tanga.
No, I'm hearing Ghana, right?
We have Tanga, also Ghana. Who? Tanga? Ghana? Ishkemi? You guys have to vote. Tanga? Yes! Ghana? I'm confused too.
Your ears are working fine. It's Ghana we are hearing. Ladies and gentlemen, Ghana or Tanga? Ghana it is. Thank you so much.
No. Of course, you people from Ghana, you came to visit Kigali, Rwanda. That means we are my Kigalians people. We have Tanga, we have Ishkevin. Please, Tanga or and Ishkevin. Ghana. You know what? Are there any fashion designers in the house? You know what? I need a judge that's not from Ghana or Rwanda. So they're telling me that you should choose. But you're Rwandan. You're Rwandan.
think Ghana takes it because it's more realistic. If you come to an evening like this, you probably can dress up like Ghana, just a man. So I think most men will support Ghana.
Oh my goodness, this is tough. Alright, so I'm gonna come over here to the British High Commission because we have the British Fashion Council, so I think you should be able to know something. So from a very professional perspective, who do you think is the winner? Based on cheers and fashion.
So as I'm neither Rwandan or Ghanaian and can be completely impartial, my vote goes to Tanga!
Wow, everyone give it up for Tanga, the winner of the Best Dressed Award 2024.
Well, if you think this has been rigged, please send an email to the HR. We shall discuss it on Monday. Thank you very much, everybody. Congratulations to you all.
Thank you so much. Lisa said it's not fair. And by the way, Izuba actually has a shop downstairs in KCC, so let's also